Hello Blogineers, today we're checking out Madcap Motel in Los Angeles. This is a 17,000 square foot immersive adventure of oddities and whimsical wonders. We'll be exploring hidden passageways and strolling through the world's first ever time warping wormhole. Make sure to stay till the end of the video to find out how you can win a family 4-pack of tickets from us. First, we're going to check in.
Hi, are you checking in? Alright, looks like you are in room 433. If you got into the lobby, I'm going to right on your way. Hi everybody, look at you all. Looks like you're all living here already. Come on, take a seat everybody. Take a seat.
Right now, we're in the waiting area while they're cleaning up room 433.
Let's get this show on the road. Come on everybody. Come on in. Come on in.
So now we're in one of the motel rooms.
Welcome to the Madcap Motel. I'm J.P. Sandos, owner of this fine establishment. Welcome to the whimsical dimension of Elsewhere.
Come on in. Goodbye.
Yes, you're here! Wonderful, come all the way in. Yes, wonderful. Explore. Welcome, I'm so happy you're here. I'm Lorraine, I'm the lab specialist here at Elsewhere. It's hard to know what will happen or when it will happen here at Elsewhere. Embrace everything that you see within. And once you're ready to leave Elsewhere and return to reality, I know it sounds crazy. Then you just find room 7 and back to reality you will go, okay? Without further ado, there is no time like the past. Now hurry up and go on through the wormhole, through both of these sets of curtains here. Yes, enjoy yourselves. I'll report back and start at first.
We just went through the portal and now we're going to explore the motel. In here first? Oh, you can. So in this room, you can step on a circle and it will light up. Oh, this is like a yellow submarine. This is an infinity hole. Oh, wow. let's go in 305.
But if you like, you can step inside the television.
Oh.
That doesn't belong.
We're underwater, and here are some corals that are larger than us.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a very important question that you may well be able to answer. It's a very personal question. Do any of you know how to get into television?
Into what?
Into TV. I want to get into television. Do you know how to get into television?
The one where you step inside of the TV.
But you're in TV. He's been into television. But you're an agent.
No, don't go. It's a trap.
Be careful of that room. It tends to give me a headache, but if you tilt your head just like this, it might actually start to make sense.
Oh, wait, don't we have to tilt our body or something? This room is an optical illusion because if I stand here, it makes me look a lot taller than over here. Whoa. And in this room, the things are just flying. Oh, this is just like the dinosaur game. Hey! It's the same thing as the dinosaur game.
Wait, let me try.
These balloons are flying, but it actually looks cool. This is Madcap Motel. It's an infinity mirror kind of thing. Oh, we've been here. Ah. Oh my gosh. Whoa. So you see the sky? I'm gonna reach for the stars. Whoa, look where my leg is. This is the infinity dance room. We're entering the final room. Now we're checking out of the motel. And now it's time for final thoughts. Brother, what was your favorite part about this place?
My favorite room is maybe the infinity dance floor.
Oh yeah, the infinity dance floor was cool, but I kept running into the walls. And the parts that I really liked from this place were the wormholes, both the one that you enter elsewhere and the one leaving elsewhere. And I also liked the sky where you can reach for the stars. That was very clever. And also the room that just leads to a brick wall. You can enter our giveaway by clicking on the link in the description. Bye!